Nico, you were supposed to be here 3 hours ago so that we could finally play together. You said that 40 minutes ago. Nico!
I'm here. I'm in it. There's so much traffic, but there's only one more run. Hold on. 2 more.
More?
One more run after this. I mean,
one more?
I was lying. Hold on. Okay.
Is that?
Okay.
You know there's an easier option, right?
What do you mean? Like a more portable version of my PC just gonna drop from the sky or something? Ooh. Holy cannoli! Is it my birthday?
Just like mine!
I love cannolis and laptops.
You can achieve incredible 40 series gaming without having to spend the big bucks on a system with a 4070 GPU or higher. Portable, thin, cool, and still bringing high performance wherever you take it. The ASUS ROG Strix G16 gaming laptop. Enter a much more current gen with an i5-13450HX CPU and a 4050 GPU. Plus, you'll be getting a stellar gaming experience with this 16-inch 165Hz display. ROG Strix knows only the best, and this laptop is definitely a top contender for you. Don't believe me? Well, we better unbox this. I like already that this one has a handlebar. I know that it's all about the product, but I love the design of this box. Ooh! Oh my God, okay. Oh, sick. For those who dare. And we frickin' dare. This is what I mean by luxury from ASUS ROG. This is beautiful. Welcome to the Gomon City. You have this little QR code, that's cool. And then in here, already our gaming laptop. Look at the details everywhere. This is so cool. I really admire it. Okay, so you have all of your key specs right on the front too. Your ROG intelligent cooling, so that way you feel extra reassured. Oh, sick! This is such a cool freaking laptop. Down to the box, down to the tiniest of details on the actual laptop itself. I love all the little decals, the little ROG logo. You have a Republic of Gamers little decal here too. Nice. It even says ROG. I don't know if you can tell, but like in these little lines back here. This is a beautiful piece of tech to treat yourself with. Honestly, I would hang up this little wolf thing on my wall just to keep it for funsies. Inside, we have our charger. Even the charger has the little ROG logo. And then, what's in this box? Oh, okay, nice. This is where we have all of our warranty information, all your little papers. You can read those on your leisure. I want to take a look at what this keyboard is going to look like, so let's see. Oh, I knew it. They were already doing the details. I just knew they weren't going to skimp out on anything else here. We have more of the little ROG decals in here. This is absolutely stunning. I love the design, everything about it, the components, the details. It has everything, so let's talk even more about it. Gaming laptops are fantastic. For those of you who may not love being away from your PC, want to add to your setup, or this may be your sole gaming device. No matter the case, for those who want a game, something like the ASUS ROG Strix G16 gaming laptop is essential. This is a downright beauty, and it has great power to back it up. You're getting 2 key components. This baby is paired with an i5-13450HX 10-core CPU at a 2.4 GHz speed, plus a 4050 laptop GPU that can hit 2,420 MHz thanks to ROG Boost. All this to help you draw more frames, game flawlessly, and hopefully win more. All of your bases will be covered. Out the gate, this laptop is equipped with 16 gigs DDR5 4800 MHz memory. For storage, 1 TB of PCIe 4.0 NVMe M.2 SSD, so you can hold on to all of your precious, precious games. So go ahead, multitask and download to your heart's content. And I have to shout out one of my favorite features, the backlit 4-zone RGB keyboard. Doesn't it just add a little extra shine? Truly, this glows more than I thought it would. I haven't even gotten to the star. You'll get to experience all the glory from a much bigger 16-inch display at a 16:10 ratio. Only the swiftest of visuals for you thanks to the sharp 165 Hz panel, so you never miss a moment. Plus, extra features are only going to enhance your display, like 100% of sRGB color space, Dolby Vision, adaptive sync support, and a 90% screen-to-body ratio, so you can get more display while still having the portability that makes gaming laptops top tier. All of these incredible features on a thinner bezel for ultimate on-the-go gaming. And don't worry, even with its thinner frame, you're getting the chillest of ROG intelligent cooling. The Thermal Grizzly's Conductonaut Extreme Liquid Metal on the CPU, added third intake fan, and more make it so you can have unwavering performance even during long gaming sessions. I know, now you believe me. The ASUS ROG Strix G16 gaming laptop is your next gaming device. So don't wait and jump on the ROG train now. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to never miss out on stellar tech. I'm Tori, and we just unboxed this. Bye!